Why you and your baby get hiccups in pregnancy? It's a common experience that mothers experience hiccups more in the first trimester and the unborn baby in the last trimester. Unbelievable as it may sound, during pregnancy, the lungs tend to inhale 30 to 40% more air than normal. Thus, swallowing more air than required can be one reason you get bouts of hiccups during pregnancy. Whereas, the baby inside tends to drink up the amniotic fluid, causing it to enter the lungs and leading to fetal hiccups. And is it normal? Absolutely. Fetal hiccups can be taken as a sign that the baby is doing well inside the tummy.